Today is the 10th lab work. The topic of lab work is creating Google accounts and using Google Docs. The purpose of the laboratory work is to study the basic functions of the Google account. Also consider how to create a Google account, how to work with Google Docs, how to work with Google Search and Google Translate. The laboratory work consists of 3 tasks. The first is to create an account, the second is to work with Google Documents in the created account, the third is to work with the search engine and translator. Let us start the task. Task 1. Create your own Google account. If you have a Google account, you can skip the first task and start with the second by logging in to complete the second task. Let us start the first task. Open the browser. Write in the search engine to create a Google account. Select the first site and open it by clicking on the link. In the window that opens, we will write our information, first name, last name. The username is offered to us. We can agree or come up with a unique username. Come up with a password consisting of at least 8 characters, enter the password and confirm it. After filling in all the information, click Next. Select a country. Let us write the phone number. You can also write an email address for recovery, but not necessarily. Then write the birthday and choose the gender. After filling in all the information, click Next. Click Next. Confirm the number by writing the received message from the phone. Click Verify. Click. If you have done everything correctly, the agreement will open. After reviewing the terms of use, click Agree. A Google account has been created. The first task has been completed. Thank you for your attention.